Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about JavaScript's flat and flatMap method. These are newly introduced in JavaScript. So flat method is basically used to convert multi-dimension arrays into single-dimension array. So you can see here we have like multi-dimension array, which means array inside of an array. So to flatten it, we use the flat method. So here I can use this some array and I can call flat method on it, and if I run the code, you will see that this flat method has converted this array into individual items, and now there is no array inside of array. So now the by default it will flat it to level 1, but we can also have multiple levels of array inside it. So for example, we have this C and another array inside it. Then you know what will it do if I run it? You will see it has flattened it to just level 1, but now we want to flatten it to level 2, so we can pass 2 in here and run it. Now it will flatten it to level 2, but what if we don't know the level we want to flatten it to? So for example, there is like another array inside it, but we still don't know how many levels of array could be inside it. So then we can use the keyword infinity here, and then it will flatten it to any number of levels it needs to. So if we run it, for now I'm getting an exception because I haven't closed this bracket. So let me run it. So see, now it has flattened it to any number of levels and to individual items. Okay, now let's talk about JavaScript's flatMap method. As the name suggests, it will basically map the array once and then run a flat on it. So let's go back to level 1 dimensional array. Here I want to convert this array into, I'll run a flat map on it. Firstly, it will return individual item, then it will give us the index. So what will happen if I will just return the item? Let me run the code. So you will see that it has flattened it to level 1. So this is like a disadvantage of flat map method, that it will just flatten to level 1. We cannot have level 2 or 3 in it. But why we have it is basically if we want to run any calculation or something to this item, we want to manipulate it, then we can obviously use flat map method. So for example, if I want to make it string and I want to attach the index with it, so now it will attach index to the individual item and then it will flat it. So now if I run it, you will see it has attached the index with the individual item and then it has flattened the array. Now each item is converted into like individual array item, so it doesn't have array inside of array. So this is basically the basic difference between flat and flat map method. Thanks.